Hi there, Joyce here. In today's video, I am going to show you this camp kitchen organizer that I got sent out for review. Let me tell you that this is an ultimate solution for your outdoor kitchen organization because you can go camping or go to a grill party or get together with a family and have everything you need outside without going back and forth to your kitchen, and have everything you need organized with this organizer. This is great because you can even hang it on your camp tent, on your tent, like I'm showing you, and you can add all the utensils, and it has compartments for all the utensils and also the spices that you might need, and everything will be in one bag without being just looking for everything in any other messy bag or any other box. It is made from strong and durable Oxford polyester fabric, and this bag is not only waterproof but also stain resistant and easy to clean. This will be a reliable companion during outdoor adventures. It measures 14.96 inches by 10.24 inches by 3.15 inches. It is compact and lightweight cookware storage bag, and it can easily hold all your essential outdoor kitchen tools. You don't have to worry anymore about forgetting something behind. Whether it's a barbecue, picnic, camping, or an outdoor dinner, this multi-purpose camping cooking utensils bag ensures you have everything you need in one convenient place. And when cleaning up, you can have everything here in one place and just zip it up and it's done. You are done cleaning up all your utensils and everything is accessible from this bag.